Good morning, West. I wanted to take a few minutes to let you know about a few upcoming assemblies that we have over the next few weeks. Friday, October 26th, we will be having Ryan's Story. Ryan's Story is a presentation by a man by the name of John Halligan who lost his son to suicide back in 2003. Mr. Halligan has a very powerful message for us, and it's important that we are respectful in listening to this message, as it will be a very valuable piece of information for all of us. Next week, on November 6th, we will also be having an assembly. This time it will be the Pennsylvania Philharmonic who will be coming to perform for all of our students. We will also be having guests from other buildings in the district come to our building. So it's important that we set a great example and give them a big warm West welcome. There are a few things I'd like to share with you about expectations for our assemblies. First of all, just some reminders about our seating arrangements and expectations in the auditorium. For the assembly, our 6th grade classes will enter through the far right door and begin filling from the front on this far right side of the auditorium. Any 6th grade classes that do not fit on this side will fill in on the far opposite side of the auditorium from the front. Our 8th and 7th grade classes will fill in the two middle sections, with 8th grade being all the way up front and filling in as far back as those classes need to go, and 7th grade will be filling in the seats behind them in the two middle sections. Please listen for your grade level to be announced to report to the auditorium for our assembly programs. When you enter the assembly, you are expected to be silent from the time you leave your classroom all the way through the hallways and into your auditorium seat. When you get to your seat, please remain standing until everyone has entered the auditorium and you are given the direction to be seated. Again, this should be done in complete silence. Please be a respectful audience. There should not be talking and disruption during a program. An appropriate way to recognize a performance or a speaker would be to applaud at the appropriate times. A concert or a speaker's presentation is not the appropriate place for yelling and hooting and hollering. We save that for athletic events. We hope that you find both of these programs to be very valuable, and we thank you for your cooperation in making this a respectful and wonderful experience for everyone. Thank you.